Today I'm sharing a hot cutting technique that I use in kite making that is adapted from clothing making. It's where you take your two pieces that are put together and sewn all the way around. And then in clothing they cut in order to let the seam flatten out when the piece is turned inside out. But in kite making I started using a hot cutting tool in order to make the cut so that it wouldn't fray. So you go around the piece starting at the seam and dragging outward. The more rounded the curve, the closer you're going to make the cuts together. The longer and flatter the curve is, you can space it out a little bit further. It doesn't have to be really neat because this is going to be on the inside where it's not going to be seen. But what it does is it relieves the pressure on the seam line and it allows the fabric to spread open inside the project where you can't see it and to let the seam lay nice and flat. Okay. Just keep going all the way around. Okay, we'll set the hot cutter aside and out of the way so we don't burn our project. So we're going to turn the piece right side out. So as you press the seam on the inside with your fingers, it's going to follow the curve. And follow the curve a lot more precisely, giving you a nice finished rounded curve. So there it's ready to be stitched onto the piece with a nice rounded curve.